आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Explain giving reason how the resolving power of a compound microscope depends on the first frequency of the incident light, b focal length of the objective lens. We know that resolving power of a compound microscope is given by the formula 2u sin theta upon 1.22 lambda. Also we know lambda is equal to c divided by nu, that is frequency. So putting the value of lambda here, we will get 2u sin theta divided by 1.22 c by nu. So it will be 2u sin theta nu divided by 1.22 times c. So we can say that resolving power is directly proportional to frequency. Now coming to question number B, focal length of objective lens. This one was A. Now coming to B. Resolving power is also given by the formula D upon 1.22f times lambda, where f is the focal length of objective lens. So we can say resolving power is inversely proportional to focal length of objective lens. Hence, this is how resolving power depends upon frequency and focal length.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।